Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. The Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, is investigating the circumstances which led to data breaches at two financial institutions over the past week. Speaking at the central bank's quarterly press briefing today, BOJ Governor Richard Biles assured the nation that the bank is taking the breaches seriously. Andrew Laidley reports.
Last Friday, news broke that over 5,000 Victoria Mutual Wealth Management customers' names, home addresses, TRNs, and equity account numbers were included in an email sent to just under 200 customers. And on Sunday, Jamaica National Bank announced that some of its Visa credit card customers received a JN Bank credit card payment reminder bearing the name and address of another credit card customer. In light of these occurrences, the BOJ is taking lead in the effort to find out what caused the breaches.
There are two breaches, and we take them very seriously. I can assure you of that. We are looking at it. We have been in discussions with them to try and understand what is the underlying cause.
Mr. Biles says while the breaches violated customers' data protection rights, it did not impact the financial system in a profound way.
We don't think that the information given out included financial information on the persons, but more information on addresses and names and so forth. So from that point of view, we are somewhat comforted. But any data breach in any financial institution is a serious matter, and we are investigating it.
In the case of VM Wealth Management, Group CEO Courtney Campbell said it was a human error, while JN Bank said it traced the cause of the breach to one of its software suppliers. In the meantime, the Data Protection Bill, now before a joint select committee of Parliament, is expected to go before the House of Representatives shortly. The bill provides guidelines on how personal data should be collected, processed, stored, used, and disclosed in physical or electronic form. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, Bank of Jamaica Deputy Governor Natalie Haynes says the first phase of the implementation of its new foreign exchange trading platform will start at the end of March. She gave details at the central bank's quarterly media briefing today.
By the end of this quarter, end of March, we expect to roll out the first phase of the trading platform. And that first phase basically involves what we call the order market, where there are matching of trades, bids and offers for dealers in the foreign exchange market. And by dealers, I mean the banks and the cambios. In addition, the large corporate entities, the users of foreign exchange, as well as the suppliers of foreign exchange, will be registered on the platform to view the bids. So that's where the transparency comes in.
And currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $140.52, while the Canadian dollar is selling for $105.97. Now the pound is being sold for $182.01, while the euro closed at $151.65. The JC index lost 1,263 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 19 points. Among the winners were 138 Student Living, Jetcon Corporation, Siboney Group, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, and Elite Diagnostic. On the losing side were Honeybun, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Stationery and Office Supplies, Main Event Entertainment Group, and iCreate. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.